Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY Kiara Sky Fill and Color. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and let's get started. In this video, I have natural tips on, which the link to that DIY will be at the end of this video. I didn't have to remove any color, but still wanted to shape the nails up. If you do have color, make sure that you use the e-file to take as much of the color off as possible.